Supplementary list. Item number 1, announcement of judgment.
Actually, the last part is, as such, in the totality of the circumstances, the case of petitioner fails on all fronts. Firstly, the question of entitlement, the delay in seeking legal remedy, and also for non-joint or necessary parties are accordingly the petition dismissed, however, with no orders to cause.
Obliged.
Any mention?
May I please, Your Lordship? I may be permitted to place mention memo for listing on Monday. 2 cases, Your Lordship. Last date I moved. There's some typographical error, so I may be allowed to withdraw. That's why I'm placing mention memo for listing.
You were supposed to give an application for amendment.
No, Your Lordship, because so many typing error is there. Much obliged.
Tomorrow? Let's go tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Yes. Then I have to change the date. Much obliged.
List tomorrow.
Lordship, I beg to mention for item 13, Lordship.
Number?
13, Lordship. So, council is out of station, Your Lordship, so I'm praying for week's time. 1 week's time.
Who is out of station?
Lordship, Mr. Paul, Lordship. Mr. Paul,
Mr.
Lordship.
Chanda, who?
Mr. Paul, Lordship. Senior Counsel, Mr. Paul. Mr. Paul, Lordship.
Your objection?
No objection, Your Honor. I'm for respondent 5 to 8, 11 and 12.
Both for the state. Yes.
I'll appear to be, Your Lordship.
After 2 weeks.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes, sir.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 14.
14?
Yes, Lordship.
You're there in the case, or yes?
We have no objection. Also, I'm for respondent 4 to 8.
Right.
Yes. Yes.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 16 of the hearing list.
Both for the petitioner. You informed them?
No, I'll do that. I'll inform them.
No, you inform them first. Then you would mention it when it comes up. Yes. Yes.
All right.
Yes.
Supplementary list. Item number 2.
Please, Your Lordship. My Lord, I'm challenging this departmental proceeding which has been initiated against me 6 years back, my Lord.
6 years back?
6 years back and still pending, my Lord. Now, there are 4 grounds basically for which I'm challenging this proceeding. There is judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court.
What are the case? What are facts about? At least tell the court. What
the facts is this, my Lord, that I'm challenging on 4 grounds, my Lord. Violation of the rules of procedure.
Yes.
Second is disciplinary in the charge, my Lord. Then non-supply of the documents and witness statement to me, and denial of opportunity to inspect record, my Lord. These
now,
are the 4 grounds.
Concluded or still?
Is still pending, my Lord.
6 years.
6 years now, my Lord. And there is a judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court which says, my Lord, that the maximum period they can if my Lord may kindly see para 33, my Lord, of the judgment.
Yes.
Para 33, the last line, my Lord. Within a reasonable extended period depending upon the cause and the nature of the inquiry, but not more than 1 year, my Lord. Within a year, they are supposed to complete the departmental proceeding, my Lord. And my Lord, the interesting fact is this, my Lord, just 3 days before my retirement, DP has been initiated against of me.
3 days when? 6 years ago?
6 years ago, my Lord. When I was supposed to be retired, 3 days after, they just initiated a departmental proceeding. Till now, my Lord, I am getting a provisional pension. They have not even cleared my GPF yes, and all, my Lord.
My Lord. In fact, my Lord, the proceeding was initiated in 2019. Now, he participated in the proceeding. File is
retired when?
He retired 2019. My
Is
lord.
it correct? Just 3 days before retired, you initiated the...
No, my lord, following
to that, of course. But
following the due procedure. Now, what I suggest, my lord, in this case, now he participated, my lord. He has taken his defense.
as in,
Whatever.
what stage is the inquiry?
No, my lord, I'm just coming to that. Yes, and ultimately, my lord, in 2022, your lordships, inquiry was completed. My lord, inquiry report has been submitted. Now is the stage, my lord, we have to furnish him the inquiry report.
22 inquiry is completed.
Because no, there are certain things are there. There was a CBI inquiry, my lord. There is a vigilance angle. If there is a vigilance angle, my lord, then it has to be referred to the ministry also. So that process has taken time. Right now, my lord, lordship, I think my lord will not go into the inquiry at this stage. It is pending. What your lordship can, for me, it's premature, your lordship. What your lordship can direct, my lord, to conclude it, my lord, only we have to give him an inquiry copy of the inquiry report. He filed his representation.
That is not correct proposition of law.
We'll have to furnish him a copy of the inquiry report. I have obtained instruction. It is ready, my lord. We'll furnish him the inquiry report. He'll file his representation, my lord. Now, whatever grievances, my lord, he is hesitating before, my lord. Obviously, he will take it.
Actually, he'll be aggrieved if 6 years has been dragging from 9 term.
No, my lord, there are other things. Vigilance.
Notwithstanding any other reason, Mr. Sen.
There vigilance angle is there, my lord. That's required to be, my lord, referred to the ministry. All these things
6
are.
years left the ministry.
My lord, it took some time, your lordships. Took some time. So what? My fact, my lord, he has been granted, my lord, the provisional pension, lordship. So at this stage, my lord, my humble submission, just keeping it pending, I don't think it will help my learned friend. What your lordship can do, my lord, close the matter with a direction, my lord, expeditiously, my lord, within a time frame to conclude it. Because in so far,
one thing, Mr.
My lord, I will just point out. I'll just point out, my lord. The correct facts has not been placed before this honourable, but my lord,
we'll give you a chance. We'll fix the election hearing. Yes, heard Mr. SD, non-council petition issue notice. Mr. S. Sen is present. So and so for the respondents. All the respondents.
Yes, my lord.
Respondent for what is required. Stop. It is
my lord, so far
submitted
file is concerned, my lord, the inquiry authority. I don't know, my lord, inquiry authority from sometime it's from outside also.
If you take instructions, if you're not to represent them, you
Lordship.
apprise the court. You take instructions. If you're not to represent them, you apprise the court next law. Yes, yes. Yes, the Council of Petition submits that the petition is directed against the long pending department proceedings, which initiated on the eve of the retirement of petitioner. Stop. Next by Ms. S.N. submits that the inquiry has since been completed and the petition is premature. Stop. Next by as the issue in question appears to be short, this is a matter of admission hearing after 1 week.
Yes.
You come prepared, whatever it was.
My lord, we are not only on this.
Only on that, we'd have an admission hearing. If you can satisfy this court that yes, his rights have been now infringed such an extent that it requires some judicial review, fine. And if you can present your case that whatever has happened that is
the very fact, my lord, senior is pointing out that the inquiry is completed. Then, my lord, the procedure has not been followed. That, my lord, will examine.
If the procedure is not followed, tomorrow he can come and challenge it.
Yes. Yes. Also the petitioner.
Please notes. I today, my lords, challenge the charge sheet. My lords, primarily I have
charge sheet.
Yes, my lords. Primarily I have many grounds, but I'll deal only with two at this stage, my lords. But the charge sheet against me is very unique in nature. But I was appointed as an inquiry officer in 3 departmental proceedings, my lords. 3 departmental inquiries. But the allegation which has been of misconduct which has been imputed against me is that I delayed the inquiry proceedings as an inquiry officer. The allegation against me is that this charge sheet issued on 22nd April 2025, my lords, may kindly mark it. It is at page number 71. That I have not completed the inquiry reports, not submitted them, and they are still pending. My lords, annexure number P11, I have given the proof. Annexure number P11, my lords, page number 187. I have submitted the proof that these 3 inquiries for which the misconduct is alleged against me were already submitted in June 2024. 10 months before the issuing of the charge sheet. My lords, has page number 187.
Yes.
My lords, has the first 18th June letter. My lords, para 3. I have completed the entrusted task judiciously as an independent judge. That's the first inquiry, my lords.
Yes.
Page 188, second inquiry.
Yes.
Same date. Third, my lords, page 189.
20th June.
Now, my lords, page 190 is the acknowledgement of the respondent that yes, we have received the inquiry reports. 9th of July 24.
Charge sheet?
Sorry, my lords.
Where's the impugned charge sheet?
Page number 71, my lords.
Yes.
My lords, I'll read from page 72 and 74. There is only one charge against me, my lords. My lords, page 72, I'm reading from the second line.
Yes.
That so-and-so was appointed as inquiry authority in a composite case by chief engineer. Second paragraph, my lords, I am reading from the fourth line.
Yes.
Departmental inquiry proceedings were required to be completed and submitted within a stipulated period. Third paragraph, my lords, I am reading only the important parts, my lords. I am reading fifth line from the bottom. However, Shri Rakesh Chopra SE has failed to submit the inquiry reports even after repeated reminders issued to him. This charge sheet is 22nd April. The most important part, your lordships, would find at page 74. This is, my lords, the statement of imputation. Page 74.
Yes.
Para 6, my lords, I am reading.
Yes.
Thus, it is clear from 3 letters sent by Shri Rakesh Chopra as inquiry officer on 29 June 22 that he had already completed the conduct of the DE proceedings. However, he failed to submit inquiry reports even after repeated reminders issued to him by the chief engineer. Para 7. That the above 3 DEs are part of a same composite case arising out of a CBI inquiry wherein DEs under Rule 14 of CCS rules was recommended advised by CVC against 11 GREF officials. Out of 11 DEs, 8 DEs have already been completed by the respective inquiring authorities and submitted to the disciplinary authorities for follow-up action. Your lordships may kindly mark the next slide.
So one thing, you are Mr.
Nitin Gupta, my lords.
Yes, Mr. Gupta. Now, when he was given this responsibility, is that 6 months period mandatory that the department inquiry be completed?
My lords, this inquiry was submitted to me in 2021.
No, yes, please.
6 months
please
is
the query of the court. Yes, is it mandatory?
Yes.
Then
6 months
then
plus
means,
6 months.
That means that he was given like 21 or 22. Now he submitted the inquiry report in 24.
That is the most important point.
Yes, yes.
That is the most important point.
Please sit down. Please.
Just one second.
Please sit down.
Just 1 second.
Please sit down. Otherwise,
No, sir.
Otherwise, you take notice and you get.
No, Mads, I'll just submit that.
Yes.
Mads, the first answer to that is 6 months plus 6 months at the discretion of the disciplinary authority. Mads, the time these disciplinary proceedings were continuing, a CVC circular came that due to COVID, this 6 months has become 13 months.
Okay.
Mads, that I have annexed with my petition. Mads, later on 29th July 22, which your lordships I have annexed at page 84, while I was acting as a IO, a court of inquiry was initiated against me, in which allegations were labeled on my integrity. So, my lords, what I did was, I wrote a letter to the disciplinary authority. Since there is an allegation raised on my integrity, please let me know that should I continue as an inquiry officer or not. They did not raise any answer, my lords. They did not give any reply. But later on, what happened? My application for deputation was pending, in which, my lords, a counter affidavit was filed in the High Court of Delhi, wherein I challenged my rejection to the application for deputation. That rejection was on the basis that since I am a IO, so therefore they cannot relieve me for deputation. I challenged that decision. High Court gave an order on 8th of May 2024 saying that the allegations which you have raised in the counter affidavit and the reason you have given to reject the application of petitioner are unjustified, arbitrary. Petitioner is an officer of competence and unimpeachable integrity. My lords, I have annexed that order.
Okay, fine. Yes, you heard.
But just one last thing I want to say.
Yes, enough. Because when is this memorandum issued?
But this is 22nd April. My reply is on 9th of May. I am due for promotion. But the only reason this has been issued is so that my promotion can be hampered.
Well, I'll need to take instruction, madam.
Yes, heard, Mr. Yes.
Nitin, I have one submission.
Yes,
my application for directions.
Yes, we've heard you. Yes, let him come instructions. Yeah. Issue notice. Dr. N. Mozika, DSGI, is present with so and so. Next, on behalf of all the respondents. This is BSF.
CVC, I'll
Just what response will be representing?
124
124,
78.
7 and 8 as
But it's 5 also, my lords.
5 and 6 are by name, my lord.
they are
So
by name.
But they are DGBR, my lords. Very well, my
Once
lords.
here by name, yes, steps to be taken on the remaining respondents within 3 days. Yes, lists after 2 weeks for further orders or for instructions or affidavit.
But can I request one last thing?
No interim order.
Merz, Merz is keeping it for interim orders on the next day.
Yes.
Merz may have it after 1 week, if I may request.
No, you take steps first, let other people appear.
Merz, I'll take steps.
Item
Merz.
number
I'll take steps.
2 weeks.
I'm sorry, Merz. Merz, can I date Merz?
You take it from the court master.
It's okay, sir.
Merz, I'll request for 8th if possible.
Take it from the court master.
Please, Merz.
Item number 4.
Oblige, Merz.
Yes,
But number 4, we are filing rejoinder today, my lord. Is the matter taken up Monday?
tomorrow.
Tomorrow's
Tomorrow's working day.
or tomorrow's a working day.
But tomorrow. So
Tomorrow. Yes, because otherwise we'll modify this order. You can't have the whole system being clogged up.
tomorrow.
Or we can hear the matter today itself.
Tomorrow.
Rejoinder is submitted. That rejoinder has been filed. Is being filed today. This matter tomorrow. Yes.
Oblige.
Item number 5.
Tomorrow the 30th. 308. Yeah.
Lordship, I have instructed that the client is not interested to pursue this matter as well. Lordship, me allowed to
Finally?
withdraw. Yes, Lordship.
Yes, Mr. S. Naitang prays that he will not withdraw the application. Yes, prayer is allowed. Matter stands closed for withdrawal.
Daily list. Item number 1.
May it please your Lordship. Lordship will be filing the affidavit in the course of the day.
You've served copy?
No, Lordship will serve them, Lordship.
Yes, MS Emerchang submits that after file close the day, just after 2 weeks for rejoinder if any.
Okay. Much obliged.
Item number 2.
My lord, this is that matter pertaining to non-payment of compensation for a
Please, your Lordship.
compulsory acquisition of the land.
Of vehicle?
No, my lord. Land.
Land.
Well, the land was acquired for extension of the National Highway 217 from Tainadurgi to Dongkong. However, my lord, the petitioners before your lordships, they have not received any compensation, my lord. Their lands also have not, my lord, they were excluded from the survey. Now, my lord, the petitioners basically are before my lords, having been rendered remediless, my lord.
Eh?
They are rendered remediless, my lord, because they did not file any objection as is required under section 3C of the NH Act within 21 days from the publication of the notice under 3A. Now, my lord,
Yes. Yes.
May it please your Lordship. Lordship, an inquiry was conducted, my lord. I would place
After
the inquiry
repetition
report.
file.
Lordship, after the repetition was filed, Lordship, because the locus is now questionable, Lordship.
my lord, I don't have a copy of it.
This is inquiry, my
you
lord.
will have a copy.
Yes, my lord. Lordship,
What your
if,
copy?
the inquiry report is at page 2, the next page, my lord. And if I may read, Lordship, the findings of the inquiry
Which page?
is at the first page. Just inquiry report at the first paragraph, Lordship. Findings of the inquiry, Lordship. The team first visited the house of Gunjuni Sangma petitioner number 1, who represents the petitioners number 2 to 24, as per the resolution submitted along with the writ petition. The residential house of the petitioner, Gunjani Sangma, was found about 1 kilometer away from the proposed project site and is no way affected by the construction of NH 217. Gunjani Sangma stated that she is unaware of the petition submitted in the Honorable High Court and that she was not part of the meeting conducted wherein resolution was passed to institute the instant proceedings and to swear the affidavit on behalf of other petitioners. Gunjani Marak also stated that she has not approached any court for compensation as her homestead does not come in the way of the proposed project. Further, Gunjani Marak also stated that she is unable to write and therefore the signature on the resolution does not belong to her. However, during the time of inquiry, Gunjani Sangma signed on the attendance sheet by giving her fingerprint, Lordship.
So there's some people who are land sharks operating there.
My lord, I'm not aware of this, my lord.
You better take instructions.
My lord, I'll have the instruction. Okay, if I can have a copy of the report
also.
also.
Order a CID inquiry. I mean, into who are these people who are perpetuating these kind of... You're using poor people like this. Who's the person who came to you? You produce him in court. Who brought the lady? You let him appear in the next day. No,
my lord, I shall do that, my lord.
Today, an inquiry report has been produced by the senior government advocate, which the findings thereof have
my lord, here
alarmed the court in view of the.
My lord, in fact, in one of the annexures, my lord.
Recorded therein.
My lord, this Gunjani Marak, my lord, this same lady has in fact.
We don't know about that.
Represented to the Deputy Commissioner, my lord. That is also enclosed as an annexure 13.
At all.
My lord.
See, it's like a racket now. Whenever there's expansion, that means some people, they go and take signatures of some poor inhabitants staying, here and there and file.
My lord, I'll have the instructions, my lord. Now,
if this is happening.
Of course, my lord.
The findings and the findings thereof are alarming, inasmuch as it is recorded therein that the writ petitioner, on being questioned, does not have any knowledge about the instant writ petition being instituted in her name, nor that she is affected in any manner by the road expansion stop. Next by Mr. Kisi Gautam on this.
My lord, there are about.
Praise that he be allowed to take instructions and to ensure appearance of the person who had handed you the brief,
my lord,
on the next date. Yes, copy of inquiry report to be handed over to. Also, copy be given to the counsel for the petitioner. When can he come? We'll get him arrested.
My lord, I'll have my instructions, my lord, because this Gunjani Marak sees the
just on this after 2 weeks on something.
My lord,
inform the date.
Much obliged, Lordship.
No, pleasure. Can I have a copy of the inquiry report?
Yes, already in the order.
Please, this is the Lokayukta matter. Lordship, we have received the affidavit filed by the Lokayukta, and I think my learned friend is appearing for the private respondents, Lordship.
Mr. Sinkan. Yes, Mr. Zahar. For the Lokayukta?
No, for the private, the complainants. We have
respond number 3 to 10.
Service is complete.
1 and 2.
I am for 1 and 2. Lokayukta.
Then, okay.
For 1 and 2, I have received affidavit.
1 second. The VC matter?
Lordship, is the jurisdiction issue.
1 and 2, that means Lokayukta. And you are appearing for?
3 to 10.
Or, okay, good.
3 to 10 were the original complainants.
10, yes. And then 11, 13, yes, Mr. Today in appearance, Mr. Tahar Edhar, right? As an appearance today on behalf of the respondents, 3 to 10, as such notice complete. It's also submitted by the counsel of petitioner that affidavit of the respondent has since been received. So what do you want now?
I'll print, Lordship, there's also a second matter at item 4. If I was desirous, if they can file the affidavit, I'll file a comprehensive rejoinder. The issue is the same.
I'll require.
No, we're going to post it after 2 weeks.
Let all the affidavits come on board.
Yes, Mr. Let me file something. Edhar, praise him aloud. 2 weeks time for affidavit. praise allowed. Just after 2 weeks for affidavit by respondent 3 to 10 and rejoinder to affidavit 1 and 2, if any. Yes. Number 4, we're not going to pass any orders. Number 4, this is number 3. Number 4, this along with WC number 298/2025 is expected next date. Affidavit on behalf of 1 and 2 should be on board. Yes.
Item number 5.
The appeals are yet to come up on the 4th of September, my lord.
What's the matter about?
My lord, this is with regard to the pay parity, fifth work charge employee of PWD were given the 5th pay commission, my lord.
PWD department.
Yes. What to do, Mr. Pasantia? After 4th September? Yes, after 3 weeks, yes.
4 and 5, 5 and 6, my lord.
On the prayer of partner parties, just after
7. Item 7.
Lordship, I require some more time to file my affidavit. It's ready at just a week's time, Your Lordship.
What about rejoinder?
I'll be filing, Your Lordship. I'll require some more
Goes
time.
of the day?
No, Your Lordship.
This RK Contempt for one praise for further how much time? 1 week's time.
1 week's
to
time.
file affidavit stopped. A similar praise made by Mr. Vasantir for the petitioner or rejoinder to affidavit file solved number 2. At least after 2 weeks. Very good.
8.
With this matter, I'm praying for next week, Lordship.
After another board?
No, next week.
Has the decision been arrived at by the
Lords, I have received some instructions that tender has been approved by the Finance Department, and there were categories. Lords, category 1 has been awarded to Aarti Enterprise.
Category 1 awarded to?
One entity by the name, Lords, Aarti Enterprises. And category...
Are they party here?
They are not a party. Not a party.
Now you're concerned with category what?
So I have no instruction, Lordship. Actually, Lordship, I'm praying for next week, Lordship. Mr. Paul be here.
Where's Mr. Paul?
It's Saro station, Lordship.
But the things are, no supplies being held up, I hope.
No, Lords.
I mean, the medical supplies, this is for these PHCs and CHCs. I hope they're not being held up because of the pending litigation.
Lords,
That's the only thing. Because we will not allow, the medicines have to go to the public, just because litigation shouldn't stop.
Yes.
Even if it's not given to the tenderer, there should be some arrangement.
So I have to seek instruction as to what is the exact status of that, but...
Otherwise, you could have taken up today. That's the matter.
Any date, Lordship, convenience, Lordship. Any date next week, Lordship.
I have it on 4th, my lords. 4th of September.
Okay, yes, 4th. Yes, on the prayer of Mr. Snaitang. Due to absence of his senior, list the matter on 4th.
September.
9.
Yes, complied with.
My lord, that I have to get instruction. I will file a reply of that.
What reply? That time you're not here, you're on holiday.
My lord.
And then he said that he removed the lock. You didn't get instructions from your client.
My lord, I could not. Yesterday only I got this.
Yesterday he has taken the copy from me.
Was he the copy?
My lord,
yesterday he has
copy has been served.
Oh, but you removed the lock, correct?
You receive here in this 2 shop. Just clear, you receive.
Don't go to 2 shops now. Where the shop concerned, where you put one lock over his lock, you remove or not?
No, you receive
That
this.
has not been.
You receive in.
That has not.
He's not removed the lock.
No, you receive this in 67 was the agreement subsidies. In this, his lock is there. It is not by us, and he didn't come and open it. I've given clear affidavit.
Please.
There is 2 shops.
Understand?
So you
okay,
receive
2 shops.
Since beginning.
With regard to the shop where the lease is subsisting.
My lord.
Yes.
Where they had put a lock over it.
No.
Above the law.
No, Elusive. Which is the agreement T67. In this, his lock is there. And 84 was where he is handed over and he didn't remove the lock. So in this we have put the lock. So this is the case, Elusive. And in 67, he
put a lock. Now he says you put a lock in that shop. You
No.
say no.
No.
You put a lock in another shop.
Yes, Your Lordship.
You have to send an advocate commissioner to go and check which locks and which shop.
Your Lordship, I am giving the clear affidavit, Your Lordship, on complaint.
See, Mr. Devnar will get nowhere. The court has ordered that the lock be removed.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Correct.
So, so our lock is not there in when the agreement subsists, Your Lordship. It is his lock, and till date he is
That's why. Please correct. Please collect instructions. Otherwise,
definitely, ma'am.
I am giving the clear affidavit, Your Lordship, by complaints.
affidavit will not mean anything. Last time you couldn't even clarify the report as which your lock was in which shop. Now you see your lock in the shop where his lock, where your lock's not there in the shop where he locked the shop.
Yes. In shop number 84.
Becoming like a comedy routine. Anyway, Mr. Arjha submits. I just received copy of the affidavit. He may be allowed and maybe not to take instructions. This time 1 week. Please be clear.
Item number 10.
Yes.
Your Lordship,
The status file affidavit.
Yes.
Your Lordship, we have received the affidavit.
You will file rejoinder.
We will file rejoinder. We pray for 2 weeks time.
2 weeks time as per allowed for rejoinder. Just thereafter and so on.
Well, I for respondent 6, the private respondent here.
You file it affidavit.
I filed before the state, on the last day, before the last day.
You file rejoinder to the affidavit also, both affidavit necessary.
11.
Thank you, Sir Lordship. Lordship, we have taken step for the private respondents, Your Lordship. Waited for the delivery status report.
Your Lordship, I'm entering appearance on behalf of respondent 6 and 7.
Number?
6 and 7.
You have 1 to 5.
Lordship.
Six and 7, okay. Mr. Sinkram, correct?
Yes.
As under penalty on behalf of respondents 6 and 7, such notices complete all respondents. What affidavits?
Lordship, we have just received instruction, Lordship. So we are praying for 2
weeks. It's a matter up to 2 weeks once after it's by respondent. Yes.
Much obliged, Lordship.
12. Item number 12.
May please, Your Lordship, I have received the instruction, Your Lordship. So, whatever petitioner has presented through this petition, Your Lordship, the existing BEC is still continuing, Your Lordship.
Lordship, the term has already been expired.
1 second.
Because I received through WhatsApp, Your Lordship, so I may be allowed to file.
No, the thing is that the VC term expired on
3/3/24. 3/3/24, and thereafter, Your Lordship, already existing is there 17/9/24. Already constituted another BC for 3 years, and it is still functioning. They have sent me the.
Election has been held, but the court order has issued for the.
No. If that's correct, was elections held or not for new VC?
No, Your Lordship.
But
Are you sure about that?
Yes, my lord. My lord, we have.
Let us submit. Yes.
We have filed several representation, Your Lordship, to help the election.
You file affidavit.
Your Lordship, I received the yes through affidavit. 2 weeks time may be granted.
Chaji today submits that it's not a fact that on the expiry of the earlier VEC that elections is yet to be held. She prays that she may be allowed to bring an affidavit the fact that there is a new VEC that has been duly elected.
Yes, Your Lordship.
And is functioning. Yes. 2 weeks, yes. Less up to 2 weeks.
Yes, much obliged.
For the said affidavit, yes.
Supplement.
You get instructions also whether, otherwise sometimes you get incorrect information.
Supplement item number 6.
Where's Mr. Manta?
He's for the USCM. He's not well, Your Honor.
Oh,
for the USCM.
You're for?
With petitioners of the.
You arguing matter yourself?
My counsel is conducting counsels from Bangalore.
From?
From Bangalore.
Yes. Where is he?
On this matter, we're waiting affidavit filed by the NMC on. So they haven't filed the affidavit.
Let me take up the other matter first.
There's
That miscase.
There's a miscase in the
So you want the affidavit? Yes. Who's NMC? Please come this side. We can't hear you. Yes, Dr. Musika.
But the letter produced, madam, it seems that penalty measures have been taken, madam. The seats have been reduced from 152.
But you have to come an affidavit if orders are to be generated.
But Mr. Khan was here.
He's representing that in the institute.
Mr. Khan, because for me to get an affidavit from Delhi will take some time, madam.
So where's Mr. Khan then?
Mr. Khan was here just now.
You kindly call him.
Just say Mr. Khan. Do you have a copy of that?
They gave it to us, they took it back. They took it back. He said we are ready.
When can he file affidavit? Yes, Mr. Khan. Now it's Dr. Modika said that penalty has been imposed upon you.
What? Penalty has been imposed. The seats
Yes, penalty has been imposed.
And then what corrective measures are you taking now?
That copy has been given.
No, what measures is the college or the university?
That is for seeing this.
So from 150 is reduced 100 only.
Yes, ma'am. I'm not clear.
For the new intake.
From 150 it has come to 100 seats.
So now the new intake can be 100.
I'm not getting clear, sir.
Why, something wrong with your ears?
Some problem is there. I'm not getting very much clear, sir.
What to do then?
But the seats have been reduced, my lord.
Seats have been reduced.
Whether now the new intake of students is limited to 100.
This year 100, my lord.
This year 100 seats.
And in the writ petition, what you kindly see?
There is also seat in the government letter. Yes, it is 100 seats.
I mean, number one.
That has been reduced, my lords, from 150 to 100. And specific instance has been that the 13 seats, which is
management quota excess over the the limit.
Right.
What happened?
So, my lords, that has been taken into consideration by the NMC as non-maintenance of the minimum standards of a medical education institute, and that aspect has been taken into consideration while reducing these seats.
That means these 13 can carry on.
Because
that is what the court wants to know.
That is a penalty, my lords. That's a penalty.
Penalty is fine, but now what will be the fate of these 13 students?
That, my lords, I don't think so. That aspect has been decided by the NMC. They have just imposed a penalty. I also am carrying a copy.
There are 13 management students. And
No, we understand.
No,
Now they
plus 64 plus another 13 from the state quota.
That is, we understand. The thing is that what this court wants to know is this: rightly or wrongly, or their excess students have been admitted. Correct? Fine. Now, what will be the fate of the students now, since they have undergone nearly a year of studies? That's all. That's what the court wants to know.
If it has been regularized, Lordship, this has to be
Is that is what, if it's been regularized, then it takes a total different dimension of the entire case now. If they've been regularized, what are you going to do now? What's the college going to do?
Already has been penalized for the.
That's what we understand, the penalty, but what about the fate of other students and those management quota seats and those?
Well, this only says, my lord, that the matter is pending before this honourable court. This doesn't say anything whether those 13 are regularized or not regularized. It doesn't say anything.
That a call, my lords, has to be.
How can the court have the power to regularize the seats?
Lordship, this document at least should come before the court.
That has not been annexed.
That has to come by way of an
Let them file it first, then we will take this matter another day.
This matter come up on Monday. Meanwhile, if this is brought on record and a copy served.
Will happen on Wednesday.
I
Yes,
Because only by then they will complete
Can you file an
the
affidavit?
fresh admission process.
Let them come because they don't even know what they're doing.
By the Lordship grants in 1 week, I'll try to file on behalf of
Can you
NMC.
kindly, at least, just have some clarity, so we know how to go forward. There's a miscase pending also. Okay, the fear one student is there. The fear of 13 students is here.
They simply reduced the seat, but they have not dealt with the 13. What will happen to them? They're simply saying.
Yes, what have they done?
They have taken note of the fact that the students have been permitted to continue in classes by the Honorable Court. Taking note of this fact, as well as other facts, they have imposed the penalty on the institution for the next academic year by reducing the intake capacity. Virtually, we are accepting that these students can be permitted to continue.
No, there's no such observation.
Clear cut, implied
Since
meaning.
the matters of pending before your Lordship, they have not gone further.
Okay, okay, let them for affidavit. We'll pass orders. We will know what to do. Yes.
Lordship, if that at least Lordship, I'm pressing by this case, Your Lordship, that at least one seat should be kept vacant.
Because I have objections.
No, we'll not do anything like that. There's something that can be corrected because that also will come to the eligibility of the student. It's not only depending on the bigger picture.
No, Your Lordship. My case is that, Lordship, people who've scored less than me are part of that 13, Your Lordship. 4 of them. So, Lordship, if now the admission process is completed for this term, Your Lordship, even if any
how many management quota seats are there now?
Admission only the second round is going on.
No, in now in this 100 seat in the 100 seat scenario, what is the management quota? How many seats go to state?
42 seats, Your Lordship.
Well, kindly see
Current is
page 9 of the miscase filed by Madam. Miscase number 186.
Page?
Page 9. This is the advertisement, the recent advertisement.
Page 9, Lordship.
Government of Meghalaya, Office of the Director of Health Service. I will kindly see allocation summary 100 seats for academic year 25-26, NRI quota 15, state quota 43, and management quota 42.
Okay.
Lordship may goes to page 12. Page 12, the counseling process is going on, and it is only the second round of counseling is still. Third round is due.
Where's the timeline?
Page 12.
Page 12.
Rather than 23rd September. Anyway, we'll have it after 1 week. You file affidavit.
Lordship, in the meantime, I'm praying, Your Lordship, because even if I'm successful in my writ petition, Your Lordship, they will say that the admission has been completed, Your
23rd
Lordship.
September is closing.
But they've already, Lordship, in their website, the list is already put up, Lordship.
Nothing that cannot be corrected. Yes,
Lordship, a fixed date.
the respondents are directed to submit the instructions on any of the materials on affidavit within 1 week. List on, we'll have it on, today is the 29.
Monday.
On 4th.
Lordship.
Well, 4th will be, I prefer 8th. I get
Okay,
8th.
Lordship, only may I pray that the results for this year's admission should not be published. That can be kept on hold.
What I understand,
Lordship, the list is in the website, Your Lordship.
related to the admission of that particular year, my lord.
You put down whatever, we'll consider everything.
Lordship, I have a copy of the list if Your Lordship wants to produce. It is already in the website.
On 8th.
Hearing. Daily list 15.
Okay.
Yes, Mr.
My lord, this is with regards to the competency of the person who has awarded the punishment, my lord.
You already served a punishment.
My lord.
Then?
My lord, irrespective of that.
Suppose wrong person or a punishment you have served, what would be your remedy?
My lord, that BRO has to be set aside and quashed, my lord, and then for wrongful punishment, they have to be adequately compensated, my lord.
In which manner?
My lord,
promotion, increment, or
penalty upon them, my lord.
Penalty upon them, okay.
2 crore rupees, my lord, is asking.
Yes?
Asking for 2 crore, my lord, in prayer number 2.
2 crore. You always ask for more. You can't, you know.
It is the.
If you expect 2,000, you say 2 crores. Right? Yes. Start. What is the problem?
My lord, it is they intended to file an additional affidavit, my lord. Reply to the affidavit. Till now, they have not.
Dr. Mozika, is that correct? The charge is making false allegation on a person. That's all.
That's all. Without any inquiry.
What false allegation did you make?
My lord, it was nothing. It was in written, my lord. I have said that, my lord, that you are deputing at your own persons to the key posts.
Oh yes. Quite long statement. You've seen this office report?
I have annexed.
It's in Hindi. I can't. It's of course written in battalion mein jajwat or say कि इतना है कि बिना और I don't understand anything. What do you propose to do, Dr. Mozika? Is the last order recorded as such?
Yes, ma'am.
Because Mr. Jha, you've been on leave so repeatedly that your cases, instead of coming to a quicker and logical conclusion, are just adjourned, and the court also forgets.
30th May, there was some I missed out.
Oh yes, this is 30th May.
But I may prefer a week or 10 days time. I just go to file.
You file. He's already filed additional affidavit also.
He's filed, but the
reply
in Hindi is produced. I don't have copy of that.
Hindi?
Office report. This one is written in. You see this one?
That is, you have. They have produced one.
This one.
What does it mean? What does it say? What is false allegation?
Making a false allegation.
No. What's written there in that? It's written in Roman script, but in Hindi. What's written?
Used battalion में जातिवाद और the casteism in battalion and
favoritism.
Statewad, जातिवाद और statewad. Okay. The discrimination between caste and states. सम्मादेशक महोदय और I'll get a translate.
Commandant and
you need translation for that also, Mr. Jha. You didn't translate it.
Initially, I took a ground mallet the territorial jurisdiction. Everything happened in Rajasthan and Punjab.
My lord, the Assam Rifle is the headquarter. Assam Rifle is not in.
You deviated to NSG.
My lord.
And the NSG inflicted punishment on you.
No, NSG deputed.
Then you earned reputation in NSG at that time.
My lord.
And punishment inflicted on you by the NSG officials.
My lord.
And you made this allegations while you in NSG.
NDRF actually.
NDRF, sorry.
Yes.
So,
my lord, but the person is from the Assam Rifle, my lord.
You deny making these allegations.
My lord, it is not a false allegation, my lord.
That or what you is not false. Is a true allegation.
My lord. That's why they have not held any inquiry, my lord.
What's the true allegation? Dr. Mozika, can you help the court? You file a affidavit or something, so we'll understand exactly. Yes, Dr. Mozika, due to inadvertence, the affidavit allowed, the affidavit allowed by the court could not be filed in time. But we also praise that the office report, which has also been produced by the petitioner, be allowed to be translated and submitted in the next date. This after 3 weeks, yes.
Yep. 16.
Lordship, in this case, we pray for small accommodation.
Lordship, it is that matter, Lordship, wherein the department regularization of 3,635 employees, Lordship, ad hoc employees, who had joined the department on or prior to 2007, Lordship. The petitioners, who were 35 in numbers, are also included in the name. Now, what has happened, Lordship, is that by the letter of regularization, some certain benefits have been given prospectively, Lordship. Interesting thing is that, notwithstanding the letter of regularization, Lordship, the ad hoc employees had been getting the benefits of promotion, ACPs. So, hence
before regularization.
Yes, Lordship. Before.
Yes.
So, the letter of regularization, instead of benefiting the employees, has ended up harming their interest, Lordship. So, Lordship, I pray that similar matter from similarly situated employees from the same department is coming up on 5th of September, Lordship.
They're not exactly similar, Your Lordship.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes, they are not exactly similar,
petition
but it can be
of 2025,
fixed, Your Lordship. On the
We will list this matter, we can list independently.
Yes.
But list on 5th September, yes, on the prayer of Leonard EAG. Yes.
17.
This is regarding the constitution of our committee for
the matter pertains to the...
Why you want to change the committee? Now, actually, Registrar General can't be, I don't think should be a member of the committee.
What had happened during the course of hearing is, my lord, the statement made by the Advocate General was, my lord, they are willing to have a dialogue with the Registry of the High Court, my lord. Now, in that case, my lord, it is the Registrar General who has to represent the High Court. Not us, my lord.
No, because Registrar General cannot, he's a floating, today he'll be there, tomorrow he'll be there. It has to be from the,
post,
entrenched cadre.
The post, my lord. The post of Registrar General.
But
we cannot represent, my lord. We are parties in this petition. We cannot represent the Registry of the High Court.
But you want the parties to be a member?
No, we want to
committee.
be. We wanted to be part of the as petitioners to be part of the committee, my lord, of the proceedings. But to represent the High Court, the RG has to represent the High Court, my lord. We don't have the records, my lord. We are going in personal capacity. That is what my contention is. What. And
but from the side of the High Court, there's no impediment.
Yes, well, the state has to state has to approach the High Court, my lord, through the RG, my lord, not through us.
So RG shouldn't be part of the committee.
My lord, somebody has to represent the High Court, my lord. We don't have the records, my lord, official records.
No.
We are in personal capacity.
Let us examine it. We'll list it next week. I'll just examine it at my own personal level.
My lord.
List on the request of the parties list matter for 1 week. I'll just examine it. What it says is correct also, but the thing is that since it's floating, that tomorrow I'm here I'm gone.
Correct, my lord. So, because if that is the case, then my lord, we also may be removed. Let the government approach the High Court, my lord, whoever represents the High Court.
Yes. Better that way also.
Then, my lord, this order may be modified, my lord. We may.
Dated?
This is, my lord, my application is there. This is dated 29th of May at page 20.
29th of May.
Page 20, my lord. My lord, para 5 may be.
Oh, there is another one.
Para 5 may be struck off, my lord. May be deleted.
Yes.
And para 6 also, my lord. Let the state undertake the exercise, my lord. If they have to approach the High Court, it's up to them, my lord.
Let us take instructions.
I'll take instructions in this.
Yes, as there appears to be a deadlock with regard to the process for consideration between the state and the petitioners, Mr. Philam Nongbri today has suggested that perhaps the committee be scrapped The committee, the constituted committee may not be feasible, and that perhaps it would be more expedient if the state respondents themselves what is the word?
Take steps, my lord,
take
to
steps
resolve the issue, my lord.
In consultation with the High Court.
With the High Court.
My lord.
Because they themselves will not be able to.
MSDI place will have to obtain instructions. That's not one way. Otherwise, that'd be better also.
Yes, my lord. Because we are in personal capacity, my lord. We won't be able to represent the High Court.
19.
Deeply obliged.
Should have come much earlier. It'll be better that way also, because then nothing be personal. It'll be, just.
My lord, in this matter, some new facts have come to light, my lord. I'll have to file one additional affidavit.
What facts come to light?
My lord, some of the
how can new facts come to light?
My lord, some of the petitioners, my lord, some of the petitioners.
The nature of the suit. I mean, nature of the case.
My lord, to an extent, yes, my lord.
Illegal occupants of forest.
My lord, some of these petitioners, my lord, we have now come to learn that they are having valid pattas, my lord.
It was never produced earlier, your lordship.
When you withdraw and file fresh.
Procured.
My lord, I'll take instructions.
Withdraw and file the fresh one.
Yeah, fresh
New facts
your
you got
lordship,
it now.
because
We have filed affidavit saying that there are only recognized four families, my lord.
Family within the forest.
You take instruction that you withdraw. These people, there's a lot of carpet bagging. You know carpet bagging, People who come and take advantage situation. Because see, infrastructure is such a fast pace all over the country. Wherever you go, there's construction. And so there are always people. See roads coming, they construct some shack.
My lord, not all of them are in the way. I mean, are coming in the way of.
Not of all of them.
These people
are, but they are bad apples, Mr. Gautam.
My lord, there are bad apples, my lord. So we'll have to, the shaft.
See, make sure that you don't pick up the bad apples. You have to do a very good inquiry on your own, at your own level, when you interview those clients. Because it sounds like a very good case, and when you come, when the facts are revealed, and like what happened in earlier cases, it's very unfortunate.
My lord, in the earlier case also, my lord, now I have gone through the entire inquiry report, my lord. The entire thing was not read out, my lord. It
doesn't matter.
Of course, my lord, when the matter comes up, I'll have my instructions, my lord.
Yes, Mr. K.C. Gautam submits that as there has been certain developments. You want to withdraw the matter?
My lord, I'll have my instructions, my lord, on the next day.
Let it come out for the instructions. Without allowing you to put in any added materials. You can't improve the case,
After we file the affidavit, your lordship.
Obliged.